I'm Justin from Toolpath. I'm here at the Georgia Tech Aero Maker Space, working with students to teach them how to machine parts on their Tormach 1100 MX. We're going to see if we can use Toolpath and Autodesk Fusion in 3 hours to give them enough information to be able to make parts. The aerospace program here is really focused on giving students manufacturing experience, but this is the only CNC mill that the students have access to right now. So I think it's really important that they know how to use it and are able to make parts. And our goal here this week is to increase the number of students from 1 or 2 that can run the mill to 16 to 20, something like that.
My name is Sid Sidi Banchong Sucharan. Most people just call me Sid. I'm the development officer here at the Aero Maker Space. I'm also the responsible owner of our Tormach. I'm a 4th-year aerospace engineer. And as the owner of the Tormach, I run all the trainings on this machine. And that's why I've been really interested in working with Toolpath on getting a better way to teach our new members how to use CAM. Toolpath kind of bridges that gap between having this machine and having trained users on it. It makes training demands for me a lot simpler because I don't have to run 8-hour CAM trainings. And that's going to be big for all these users who are coming in. They can basically make a lot of parts. And then we were able to have everyone generate their own CAM for a part as advanced as this.
Using Toolpath and pre-prepared libraries, we sidestep all the challenges of tool selection, feeds and speeds, all of that. The students don't have to worry about any of that. And so we can really compress the amount of information they need to learn. And the students were the ones who uploaded the part to Toolpath, pulled it down into Fusion, created the setups, posted the code, and ran it on the machine. And they just didn't have to worry about tool selection or feeds and speeds. Toolpath handled that for them.